Hello everyone. Welcome to this learning video on STAR CCM Plus software. This video will walk you through the workflow of the STAR CCM Plus software. This is part of this course on CFD modeling using STAR CCM Plus by Learn CAX. Before we begin this learning video, let us see what all topics will be covered in this session. As this is your first exposure to STAR CCM Plus software, you might be wondering what exactly this software is. So, first we will see what is STAR CCM Plus. Then we will see how to launch this software at your end. After that, we will see the general workflow of the software. We will see the overview of different stages involved when we use this software. After that, we will study the graphic user interface or GUI of the software. When we use any software as a user, the first thing we need to familiarize ourselves is the GUI. Once we know the GUI, we can go into much details of the software setup. So first, we will make ourselves familiarized with the GUI. Once GUI is done, we will see the basic structure of the model tree. Model tree contains all the objects and entities we create while we set up a CFD simulation in STAR CCM Plus. We will see what this model tree contains. At the end of the session, we will see the file structure of STAR CCM Plus software. We will see different files which are required as inputs and what file formats can be exported. So, let us begin. First things first. For all the beginners, the first question is, what is STAR CCM Plus? When you open STAR CCM Plus software, the display looks like this. This software is a CFD software which is used to carry out CFD analysis. The best aspect of this software is that it is an all-in-one CFD tool. This can be used for geometry creation, geometry repair, CFD setup, and solving, as well as to see the results we use the same tool. Some commercial CFD softwares like ANSYS Fluent and ANSYS CFX use multiple tools or software modules for different stages like meshing and results. But while using STAR CCM Plus, you have to use only one software for geometry, meshing and CFD results. This makes the software highly user-friendly and powerful tool for CFD analysis.
I'm Jean-Claude Ercolinelli, Senior Vice President Product Management in CD Adapco, and I'm pleased to introduce in the 2013 a brand new series of STAR CCM Plus versions, STAR CCM Plus V8. We will release this year again 3 major releases with plenty of meaningful and relevant features for our customers, and we're focusing our development onto 3 main areas, which are a enhanced user experience, and I'm not just talking about just easing the use of the tool, but also reinforcing and augmenting the interaction that we have with our users through the use of the STAR CCM Plus. And the second point, we want to also expand the product scope and offer more capabilities, let our users be solving more sophisticated phenomena with the STAR CCM Plus. And thirdly, we also want to improve the performance of the software and the scalability on the multiple cores counts. And thirdly, we want also to improve the simulation throughput, and not only focusing on the simulation performance and scalability and solve faster, but we also want to make sure that our users can gain benefit and save time during the engineering workflow process.
Why is STAR CCM Plus so popular when it comes to CFD simulations? There are certain features of this software which makes it highly suitable for carrying out CFD analysis. Let us see one by one some popular features of this software which makes it stand out. STAR CCM Plus is highly renowned for its ease of use. Using a single GUI for all operations from start to end makes it highly user-friendly. Also, various tools and inputs are highly intuitive. Hence, to use it for creating mesh and setup of a CFD case is very easy. For example, the scene creation tool helps users to create display scene on the go. These scenes can be inserted at various stages of the model tree and they get updated as we progress through the simulation. You can display any scene anytime, even during simulation run. As said earlier, the best aspect of this software is that it is an all-in-one software package. There is no hassle of changing software and import or export of files when going from one stage of CFD analysis to the next stage. You can do geometry, meshing and solution in a single display of software. All comes integrated in the model tree and can be modified on the go. The next feature is the meshing tool. The meshing tool of STAR CCM Plus software is highly automated. There are automatic meshing algorithms for generating tetra, hexa and polyhedral mesh. We will see meshing in detail in the meshing videos of the STAR CCM Plus course. When it comes to physics of CFD, STAR CCM Plus has many physics models available to carry out CFD simulation of different types of phenomenon. The physics model box is shown here. It has various physics model selection options. There is 1D coupling option, thermal comfort option, thin film model, gravity activation option, turbulence, ideal gas material option, turbulence boundary layer models, steady and transient model. The list goes on. Another reason to use STAR CCM Plus software is its powerful post-processing tool. The software has range of post-processing options which can create amazing looking CFD images as shown here of streamlines around an airplane external flow. There are also numerous data options to extract plots, graphs, number and averages. We will learn how to extract these outstanding images when we study the post-processing sessions. The meshing capability of STAR CCM Plus is enormous. The mesher has been designed from the beginning to handle very large models. 100 million plus cells is something that is very easily manageable when using STAR CCM Plus meshing. So, the ease to handle large sized mesh is another reason for using STAR CCM Plus for CFD analysis. Among the many reasons to use this software for CFD analysis is the quality of full process integration. Starting from CAD to CAE, all can be done in one package. The same GUI is there through the process. This makes it easy for the user as they have to learn the tool once and all the processes can be done in it. One key aspect that a software user looks in a software tool is how frequently the new release gets developed. Whether the software keeps pace with the latest technology or not is also important. STAR CCM Plus has a rapid development cycle. There is a new release every 4 months. The new release becomes available to users through the CD Adapco support portal.